Alright guys, welcome back. Today we're doing another video. We're doing a shoot with this Porsche Spyder RS 2024 718 Spyder RS with the Y-Stock pack as well. It's got a lot of green stitching in here, which is honestly really cool, and also the Y-Stock bucket seats. Awesome area here for, also it also comes with a little MagSafe spot for your phone too, which is nice. But we're shooting this today with Bowden. Bowden's over here as well. I'll have his links in the description. As for gear, we're shooting on the Sony A7 IV 2470 from Sigma.
Carpet. Yeah, ended up buying that.
Alright, so we're just gonna walk around mostly, get a lot of shots around the car, different logos, keys, the wheels. The keys are in my hands, so we're gonna do a couple shots with that as well as just get some awesome shots with the background that we have. It's a little smoky over the clouds and smoke as well, so the good thing is it's not too overly shadowy, which is perfect, but we're gonna get a lot of shots, interiors as well, and then yeah, just a lot of BTS, so let's get to it. Also, you guys, if you don't remember, we took another Porsche here. It was a GT4 with Steve. And yeah, I'll link that video right here, but this is the same location. We got details of carbon fiber. Trying to work out the YouTube more thing, but we'll see.
It takes a long time. Well,
yeah, we'll move it there after a little bit, yeah. Or even like shooting through one of the pieces down there too. Yeah, because I know you can actually get to where that car is. If he wasn't there, that would be good. But because then I could have like a drone above him or something. But we'll see. Yeah. The Y-Stock logo. All right, we're gonna swap to the 16mm lens. We're gonna get some interiors, a little bit more exteriors, and then we're gonna swap to the 70-200 and get some other shots quickly, and then we're gonna jump on video, and then should be good with this location. Look at the wheel shot, my classic. Sorry? 2470, 16-25, yeah. And then the 70-200 as well. Just the F4.
nice.
Small, easy, lightweight. No, Sigma. You upgraded? How is it?
Master Mark II. It's a huge difference. I can't lie, like Obviously, like,
I also know it's a lot more well balanced weight wise. It's not front heavy.
yeah, but obviously posting Instagram, you're not gonna really see a difference. But in terms of editing, it's like a lot sharper.
Really?
I feel like the colors are a little more accurate.
Okay.
But yeah, also like weight wise, you can feel like it's not like super heavy.
Oh yeah, true.
Like
Wow,
on the Mark II, I think it's Mark 1. But like the Sigma, you have the Mark 1 still?
Yeah.
Sigma Mark II is pretty good.
Yeah.
Like weight.
I've thought about it, but I don't have the funds to do it yet.
That's fair. Yeah.
I gotta get a new car first.
Yeah. That's fair.
All right, time to do some interiors, and then we'll put it down there. Do you want to position me? Just down here. All right, so we're gonna go down to the other level down here. We're just gonna start up the car, move it, and do some other shots there, and then we'll be good at this location for photo. All right, so we just got to the other location of this parking lot. All right, let's walk back up. Oh yeah, looks good. Can I trade you for 2470?
Sure. Yeah.
Well, it's so much lighter, yeah. I can already tell.
Yeah.
Jeez. Yeah. So if you twist the front element, you can get the variable.
I've used that. Yeah.
Okay. Good. Matt had no idea what to do.
Really?
No. All right, so we finished up with photo. We're gonna do video in a little bit. We're just gonna drop Bowden off, but we're gonna put some action mount shots on the car, probably the wheel or even the front area, or even on the door looking back of the wheel, but we'll see. Possibly a lot of different options. And then, yeah, we'll come back and do some video.